In this video, we're gonna be making some commemorative Thor hammers to send to US Marines that are stationed in Japan. Check it out. OORAH! All right, so I've got some really great family friends that are stationed in Japan. My family friend is a military spouse who is constantly crafting some awesome stuff, who is married to a Marine who's in charge of this 7th Battalion in Japan. For the Marines that are actually leaving the battalion, they wanted to send them away with a gift of appreciation. And that's where we come in. What better way to say thank you to a Marine than a Thor Styled Hammer that's engraved with their battalion emblem and a thank you note personalized to them. So how are we gonna do this? This is actually gonna be a collaboration. On my end, I've got 3 parts to do, which is gonna be the hammerhead, the handle, and the base square. Then I'm gonna send this off to Japan, and my friend's gonna do all the really hard work. She's actually gonna braid the handle with a really cool design, add a thank you note that's engraved on like a brass plate, and she's also gonna attach some of their ranks to the hammerhead, and it's gonna look sweet at the end. At the end of this is gonna be the sweetest Thor hammer that's ever made with probably the most meaningful impact. So make sure you watch to the end where you get to see the final version of this hammer. Let's get started. Let's start with the easy stuff. We'll cut down the parts to size, with the head pieces being 5 inches long and then the handles being 14 inches long. Then we're gonna add 30-degree angled cuts to each edge of the head, and this is gonna give it that Thor styled hammerhead. Then we're gonna sand it all down nice and smooth. For each handle, we're gonna add this small cutout. It's gonna be an 1/8 inch channel, which is how my friend is gonna attach the handle cord later on. We'll stain everything this min-wax golden oak color except for the handles. Now, let's drill out a 1 1/8 inch hole in both the square bottoms, and later we're gonna do this with the hammerheads as well, and this is how the handles are gonna fit into each. Finally, it's time to add the 7th Battalion emblem. Since these are too large for the Glowforge, we're actually going to use a blue light laser and add these details in. Look how sweet this looks. Yeah, wow. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. At the end of this, you're gonna see a final picture of this with the hand wrap all finished off, so make sure you stay tuned for that. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate you guys. Thanks as always, and catch you in the next one. Peace.